Guys, it is Connor Bliss and I'm bringing you a summer party pack opening. It is guaranteed to 3+ elite players and 3 summer blast collectibles. Let's just see what we get here. We get 80 Captain Mumbling, 84 Adrian Peterson, and 82 Roger Stafford. So not in my mind worth 400 Madden cash. But that gets you a most feared or a feast pack. That's kind of weird. This one gets you an ultimate freeze. Okay. But there are new elite players. There's also live events. If the game will load. Okay, I think my game full. Okay, now it's finally loaded. But I don't even want that. I want Summer Blast. There are 6. And let's just continue. Now there's a few events. And then here's all the items you can get. Up to 120 overall, the lowest is 110. And then there's 1776 coin quick sell. That's kind of cool. But it is pretty much just a 4th of July promo. There's Congress. Sign out. Peace.